return on investment for a company is huge, not just for the company, but also for the employee, for the employer. Obviously, just having their employees that are more productive and not always going outside for smoke breaks, and the fact that they have more energy and more stamina, and you're helping to facilitate them to actually quit instead of just demanding it. And if you help them, it just the employee feels cared for and appreciated. And the benefits for the employee, one is for the average smoker, if you're a pack a day, you're saving $7,000 a year. So that's a substantial amount of money. Plus, you're improving your quality of life. You're improving your life expectancy. You're going to live potentially 10 years longer if you're a non-smoker. So less sick days, better health, more money. I think it's a win-win for both the corporation and the employee.